Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic. It is your from chapter 1, Real Numbers, class 10 is also very important. So let's discuss. So let's first understand the theorem. So what the theorem says, the Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic says that factorization of every factorization factorization of every composite. So always we start with the theory, okay, what the theorem says and all, it is very important. Then we go for the numerical for calculation after seeing the theory first. So factorization of every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes irrespective of the order in which the prime factors of that respective number occurs. Okay, see. What is the theorem saying? Factorization of every composite number. Okay, so first of all, we should understand what is composite number, what are composite numbers. See, composite numbers are those which have factors like 24. Number itself also, and they have extra numbers also as their factor. Okay, 24, 12, okay, 16, 8, number more than they have factors 1, 2, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8. So these are the composite numbers. Okay, these are the composite numbers which have more than two factors. Okay, that means they have itself, they are one has a factor already and itself is also their factor. And apart from this, apart from them, they have extra numbers also. Okay, they have first, they have extra number also as their factors 24, 12, 16, 25. Clear? So these are composite numbers. So factorization of every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. And now what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers means they have only two factors, that is the number itself and one. Number itself and one. Similarly, see for 2, 3, 5, 7, okay, 11. Factor of 2 is 1 and 2 only. Factor of 3 is 1 and 3 only. 5, 1, 5, 7, 1, 7. Only they are the factors. Only two. And in composite number, more than two always. They are considered as a composite number. Now, every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, irrespective of the order in which the prime factors of that respective number occurs. Basically, what they are saying, we know how to calculate the LCM. See LCM. So, if I want to calculate the LCM, this composite number through the help of the LCM can be expressed as a product of the prime numbers. How? See this 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So it can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power. This is what the theorem is saying. So every composite number can be expressed as a product of the prime numbers. Product of the prime numbers. Okay. So prime numbers, and they may have some powers also. So this is what this fundamental theorem of arithmetic is saying. So let's discuss a numerical based on this. So let us find the prime factorization of 240. Okay, so let us find the prime factorization of 240. So 240 can be written as 120, 260, 230, 215, and 3551. Okay. So 240 can be written as 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 5. Okay. So this is your composite number and they are expressed as a product of the primes with some powers also. Okay. So this 240 can have only one possible prime factors. This is the only, and this prime factorization, this is always unique. Okay. This is always unique. This is always unique. Unique means, see, 2 has power 4 always, 3 to the power 1 always, and 5 to the power. There is no modification other than this. Okay. So this is your prime factorization of 240, and by this fundamental theorem of arithmetic, they are always unique. Okay. So that means uniqueness. By uniqueness means, explain it in more detail. The 4 factors of 2, 4 factors of 2, that is 2 to the power 4, 1 factor of 3, that is 3 to the power 1, and 1 factor of 5, that is 5 to the power 1. So this is the expression of a composite number in terms of the prime. Okay. And this expression is always unique. By uniqueness, we mean that if this expression has 4 factors of 2, which is represented as 2 to the power 4, this expression has 1 factor of 3, which is represented as 3 to the power 1, and 1 factor of 5, which is represented as 5 to the power 1. The whole comprise 2 to 40 if we multiply. Okay. Okay, that's all for this session. I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can contact me through my Urban Pro profile app. Till then, revise, we continue. Let's meet in next session. Bye.